In this lesson, we look at Dunder, init, and attributes, the tools that give every Python object its own personal data from the moment it is created. Before we touch code, here is the big idea. When you create an object from a class, Python immediately calls a special setup method called Dunder init. That method stamps personal data onto the object so it is ready to use. We start by writing the word class followed by the name dog. This is the blueprint. No actual dog exists yet, just the plan for making one. Inside the class, we define Dunder init. Python calls this method automatically every single time a new dog object is created. You never have to call it yourself. Dunder init takes two parameters, self, which is the brand new object being built, and name, which is whatever the caller passes in. The line self.name equals name saves that value onto the object itself. Here we create two dog objects. Rex and Bella are completely independent. Each one went through Dunder init and stored its own name. Changing one will never affect the other. When we run the program, Python prints Rex and then Bella. Each object held on to the name it was given at creation, completely separate from the other. The most common beginner slip is forgetting self. Before the attribute name. Without self. You create a plain local variable that vanishes the moment Dunder init finishes, so always write self.name, not just name. To recap, Dunder init is your object's setup step. Use self. To pin data onto the object, pass in starting values as arguments, and remember that every instance owns its own separate data.